Hello, folks. Well, many of you seen us fly the Magnum cartoon plane on our Aerofly simulator. It's great for slope soaring at some of the very interesting sites. So while you see a bit of the simulator at the start, I'm going to fly it in the second highest spot in Iowa, the Ocheyedan Mound. It used to be the highest part in Iowa, but it's changed now as technology found another place. Well, yesterday the wind was blowing in the right direction, so away Ilea and I went. Well, 28 mile per hour proved to be just a bit much for this plane, especially at the top of the hill, so I couldn't even hold it. And you could see what happened when I tried to launch it.
Oh, man.
Well, the wind was blowing so hard it was actually bending the wing over like I had to throw it to get it out of here. I had to try it, right? Oh, no. You know, I should have thrown this with my left hand because I threw it with my right hand, and by the time I could get my hand back on the aileron stick, which is what controls the rudder, that was that. But foam tack, all back together in no time. Well, today the wind was only 17 to 20 mile per hour, so I thought I'd try again, but not before putting a carbon fiber tube on the leading edge to keep the wings from folding. To those new to this type of flying, slope soaring actually uses no motor. You see, the wind hitting the face of a hill or cliff shoots the air upward, and by flying on the leading edge of the hill, you can fly the glider for hours or as long as your radio battery lasts, which can be a long time. So here we go. There it is, sweet spot. Well, luckily I was able to bring the GoPro up here and set it down on a little tripod. Remember, there's no motor here. I'm just flying the wing currents. Again, I want to thank Ilea for coming out here today. I know this is kind of a pain, but she did it, and I really appreciate that. When slope soaring, you always want to land behind the hill, behind the lift. Then you can land easily.
Okay, folks, that was pretty serious.
Wow, well, that was really exhilarating for this old man, including the climb without dropping it or breaking it up the wind on the way up and the way down. Well, next time I'm wearing some earplugs because it was so loud up there, and then I couldn't wear my head cam as it was so windy it wouldn't stay on my head. I couldn't even do anything but hold the plane so it wouldn't blow away or break while I'm holding it. But once I launched it, yes. Once I got it trimmed and then found the sweet spot in the wind, I could have flown for an hour or more with no motor. I do miss doing this and so glad to show you another aspect of flying, even if this flight was a little bit extreme, but it is still low-cost fun. So thanks a lot for stopping by. Stay well and fly easy. This is Dave the Night Flyer, signing off till next time.